So welcome today. This will be our first video about the new FreeScan Nova Trak. And I'm quite sure that you will like it because it's the first system that can be used modular as a tracker, as a big range scanner, and as a normal hand scanner. And this is pretty cool because you have in one setup, you have everything you need for daily work, even if you work on objects that homogeneously are curved or have flat surface and you don't want to use marker. And I'm going to start to build it up and show you the different functions, calibration, and what is needed to operate it in the right way. So first things first, let's take it out of the box and take a look at what is inside this big box that seems to be big, but compared to other trackers, it's a really handy and good for transport, let's say packed travel case. Enables you as a single person to travel with a tracker system and not need a colleague or a car to take it to the airport or let's say transport it to a different location inside some tool shop. Let's see what's in there. So as you can see, this box is bigger than most of the normal FreeScan or unscan boxes. And let's open it to see what's inside, what is coming with the new Nova Trak. To open them up, here is the buttons you have to push to get them open easily. And here we are, and you can see this is a full pack case. There is no space left. So just in this way, it was possible to integrate it all in one box and be able to travel it as one worker only. So we have here, on one hand, the tracker itself, or the scanner. It looks like some combo that's trapped inside there, and it's actually something like this. It's not, of course, some standard scanner, but one of those. And you see here around there is the markers for the tracking. So this is the first item we are going to take out of the box. Important is to note which way is up. There is like some knobs for putting it on the table and not scratching it. So just keep an eye on that you're not putting it on the markers. That's not nice. That will maybe as well harm the position of them. You will see as well that upside here is have some kind of the interrupter for turning it on. So we're just going to take it out. As it is a metrology device, it comes with a calibration certificate. And this looks to me like some device for calibration. This is the router where all the data connections will be bundled. You can see there is the different connectors and as well the LAN. This is the tracker camera itself that looks at the scanner later on. So they are working together in this way that this camera with the bigger area of view is just watching the smaller one and is giving the system the coordinates of the new acquired data and position of points, surfaces that had been measured. And as they are looking at each other, this one can give the reference for that one, and you will be not needing any markers. This is a very nice carbon fiber tripod that will be for sure for the bigger camera. This is a battery charger that is for sure for the, let's say, wireless function necessary. So we're going to charge these batteries first. This is just cabling. We're going to speak about this more in detail. Normal LAN cable. A huge power supply. This is the calibration bar for calibrating the big scanner. Our wireless connection. Very important. The USB dongle for being able to run the software. Batteries. No batteries. Positions. So that's it for today. We built up the FreeScan Nova Trak right now and we are ready for calibration. In the next video we are going to calibrate together all three components of the FreeScan Nova Trak. I hope you enjoyed the video and you are going to be with us next time.